Here's a list of tweets that contain data science as keyword. Now let's say we want to know which words tend to be used together in tweets. Basically, we can do two main operations. One is to tokenize the text, typically word by word. Then count all the combination of the tokens or words. First, we can select Tokenize Text operation and the Text tab and the Others button. We can select the text column to tokenize. We can tokenize by different levels, but we'll keep the default that is by word, and also keep all the other parameters as a default. Once you hit Run button, you will see all the tweet texts are tokenized or split into words, and each word is now presented in each row. You can also see the document ID, which is essentially representing each tweet in this case. And there is sentence ID. Some of the tweets might have multiple sentences. We can quickly go to Summary View and see that there are 2094 unique words. Now that top 1, 2 are HTTPS and T.co. These are the letters that are part of the URL links in the tweets, and we are not really interested in this. Also, number 5 is DA, and number 6 is TO2. These are considered as stop words, which are the words that are so generic that you find in any sentences. So we want to remove these tokens. Let's start removing those URL-related letters. We can use filter command with isNotIn operator to select multiple entries. Those HTTPS T.co tokens are now gone. Next, let's remove those stop words. We can use isNotStopWords operator to get rid of those stop words such as that, to, etc. Now those are gone, and we can see data science, big data, value as the top keywords. Now let's find out which pairs of the words tend to appear together by using countTextPair command. We want to select a column to identify each document. In this case, that is document ID column. Then select the column that contains the tokens and hit Run button. Now we can see the count numbers for every combination of the words. Since we are interested in how often they are used together, we can filter to keep the combinations that appeared more than 2 times. Now we see many words contain just numbers as letters, and they don't really make sense in this context. So we can remove these by going back to filter step and use isAlphabet operator, which keeps only the alphabet letters in the tokens. We can use arrange command to sort the data and see which pairs of the words used together more often than the others. Now let's say we wanted to know which words tend to be used together with data science. In this case, we can simply filter the token X column to keep only data science. Now by going to visualization view, we can visualize the count pairs of the words with something like heat map. Since there are too many words, we can increase the count numbers threshold and see fewer combinations that are highly used together.